Want to import Google Contacts to your iPhone? In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to sync your Google Contacts on your latest iOS device. So, let's get started. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Apps section. Again, scroll down and find Contacts. Tap to open Contacts settings. Afterward, tap on Contacts Accounts and select Add Account. Select your account type and enter the sign-in details. Then, follow the on-screen instructions. If you're already signed in, return to the Accounts page and select your Google account. Finally, turn on the toggle next to Contacts. Your Google Contacts will sync with your iPhone. Launch the phone app and tap on the Contacts section to check it. Then, check for the Google Contacts. In my case, they're available. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.